Okay, so we got a message or email from a 30-year-old mother named Catherine, and she said that there were strange noises coming from her bathroom at night around like 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna go investigate that right now, okay guys? Okay guys, I'm knocking right now. Okay, so right here is Catherine. So what exactly kind of noises have you been hearing from your bathroom at night?
It's very scary.
Okay. So I'm gonna put down my car keys. We're gonna go investigate the bathroom to see where those noises could be coming from. Not that scary. Okay. We're in the bathroom. Nothing scary. Tell me if you see anything. Hello, this is me. So, there's nothing in here besides normal bathroom stuff. So, I don't know where those noises could be coming from. So, I'm gonna set up a few cameras around the house. Okay? At night to record the noises. So, we'll see when it turns nighttime. Okay guys, it is totally nighttime right now, so we're gonna set up a few of the cameras. So, we're gonna set up one right here, record, set a camera up right over here, and set a camera down right here. Okay. Then set up a camera right here. Actually, no, that's way too high for me to even reach. There you go. And lastly, put ones in Catherine's room. So right here. This place is already giving me spooky vibes. What? Oh God! But that is a poster. Alright. Just a poster. So we have all the cameras set up right now. So we're just gonna go lay down and see what happens. So yeah. What was that noise? What was that? It sounded like it came from inside the bathroom. Nothing in here. Okay, Catherine. Okay, Catherine, so we just heard some noises from inside your bathroom that were scary. We're gonna see what the video captured soon. So I'm gonna upload it right now and see if there was anything right now. So let's review the footage. Okay, we're done reviewing the footage, and there was some scary noises that came out from in there. And the lights were on, which was weird. So we're gonna see, or stay another night to see if there's anything else that happens. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna head to sleep for another night. So, see you in the morning.